This is a very good news for every Nigeria in diaspora, whether you are in UK, US, Ghana, or any part of Africa or European country. With UBA Bank, you can easily get your BVN. There's no need of you flying to Nigeria, and this is going to save you money, time, and it's very much convenient. What you need to do is to make sure you pay proper attention to this video. Recently, UBA sent out some mails, and I believe some people might not be aware of it. That is the reason why I decided to make a video about it. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Gmail right here so everyone can see it right here in this video. So just like what you see right here, need a BVN abroad, we have got you covered. This is an official statement from UBA. Get verified from anywhere in the world, as you can see right here. So Nigerians in the UK, US, and Ghana can now conveniently enroll for their BVN, that is bank verification number, at UBA International Office. No need to travel to Nigeria. Appointment based on service, quick 10-minute process. Open a UBA bank account instantly online. Book your slot today and take your first step toward seamlessly banking in Nigeria. What you need to do is to simply click on Get Started right here. Or better still, you can visit uba.com for more information about this particular package right here. If you have any question for me as far as this is concerned, you can put the question in the comment section down below. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.